Let us discuss question number 11 from the exercise 2.2 of the lesson linear equation in one variable. Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? In this question, we need to find out the age of Baichung and the age of his father and the age of his grandfather. Let us explain this question with the help of this figure. Let this Baichung, his father and his grandfather. So let the age of Baichung be x years. X years. Then here it is given that Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So as his age x, his father age is x plus 29. 29 years older than Baichung. So x plus 29 years. And see, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. Otherwise, Baichung's grandfather is 26 years more than Baichung's father. See, here Baichung's father is x plus 29 years old. 26 years older than means x plus 29 plus 26 is equal to x plus 55 years. X plus 55 years. So he is older. He is x plus 55 years old. Then here it is given that the sum of the ages of all the three is 135. So according to the question, it is given that the sum of the ages of all these three is 135. So x plus 29 plus x plus 55. X plus 55 is equal to 135. Is equal to 135. Then here x plus x 2x plus x 3x. 3x plus 29 plus 55, that is 84. 84 is equal to 135. 3x plus 84 is equal to 135. From the 3x is equal to 135 minus 84 plus 84 transposing to RHS minus 84. See, 3x is equal to 135 minus 84. So 3x is equal to 51. 3x is equal to 51. So x is equal to 51 divided by 3. X is equal to 51 divided by 3. Otherwise, x is equal to 17. 51 divided by 3 comes 17. What is x? X is the age of Baichung. Therefore, the age of Baichung. Therefore, Baichung is equal to 17 years old. X years. Therefore, 17 years. Baichung is equal to 17 years old. His father, Baichung's father. What is the age of his father? X plus 29. So 17 plus 29 is equal to 46 years old. His father is 46 years old. And the age of his grandfather. What is the age of grandfather? Age of grandfather is x plus 55. So grandfather age. Grandfather is equal to x plus 55. That means 17 plus 55 is equal to 72 years old. 72 years. See, let us see our answer is correct. You can verify your answer. 17 plus 46 plus 72, it comes 135. So the answer is correct. Therefore, the age of Bai Chung 17 years. His father is 46 years and his grandfather is 72 years old. So here is the end of this question. And see the next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present age. 4 times his present age. What is the age of Ravi? What is the present age of Ravi? See, we don't know the present age of Ravi, so let the present age of Ravi be X years. Present age of Ravi. Present age of Ravi is equal to X years. X years. Then here it is given that 15 years from now, as his age is X, see after 15 years, his age will be X plus 15 years. X plus 15 years. After 15 years, he will be, after 15 years, he will be X plus 15 years old. Then here what is given in the question? 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times of his present age. Therefore, X plus 15 is equal to 4 times of his present age. His present age is X years. 4 times of X means 4X. So, X plus 15 is equal to 4X. From there, see, you can take this X to RHS. So, 4X minus X is equal to 15. 4X minus X is equal to 15. From there, 3X is equal to 15. Therefore, X is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Therefore, present age of Ravi is 5 years, is equal to 5 years. So here is the end of this question. Next one, a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, and add 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Let the required rational number be X. Then according to the question, it is given that when you multiply it by 5 by 2, therefore 5 by 2 into X, then adding 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, you get minus 7 by 12. Repeat, let the rational number be X. Multiply 5 by 2. So 5 by 2 into X plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 12. 5 into X, 5X by 2. Plus 2 by 3 we can take to RHS. It will be minus 2 by 3. So minus 7 by 12. Minus 2 by 3, transposing plus 2 by 3 from this side to RHS, that becomes minus 2 by 3. See here the RHS LCM needed. 5x by 2 is equal to, denominators 12 and 3, their LCM is 12. Therefore, minus 7 by 12 minus. To make this denominator into 12, we have to multiply this by 3. So, both the numerator and the denominator multiply by 4. 2 into 4 by 3 into 4 is equal to 5x by 2. 5x by 2 is equal to minus 7 by 12 minus 2 fours are 8 by 12. Minus 7 by 12 minus 8 by 12. Which implies 5x by 2 is equal to minus 7 minus 8, it becomes minus 15 by 12. Minus 15 by 12. You can simplify minus 15 by 12. So 5x by 2 is equal to by 3 minus 5 by 4. We simplified numerator and denominator by 3. 5 3s are 15. So minus 5. 3 4s are 12. So 5x by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 by 4. 5 by 2 take into RHS, it will come 2 by 5. It will come the reciprocal. So you can cancel here. See, minus 5 cancel. Minus 5 and 5 cancel. Minus 1. 2 and 4 you can simplify. Therefore, the answer comes minus 1 by 2. Otherwise, you can multiply. Minus 5 into 2 comes minus 10 by 4 5s are 20. So you will get to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the required number, the required rational number is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the required number is minus 1.